What's going on, y'all? This is a new day. So Sierra update number 2. So last time we talked about what I had in the truck. I said I was gonna get new subs. Granted, today is Wednesday. The new subs should be here today. I got the Sundown x8v4s. So remember, the amp that I currently have is the Tar Amp 3K. It's running at 2 ohms right now, and currently I have the Scar ZVXs. Right, running at 2 ohms because, like I said before in my last video, if you haven't seen that, I'm gonna drop the card right here. I was supposed to do 4. MBE told me to do 2. He was like I was gonna get what I'm looking for. So instead of having 4 dual 2s, I got 2 dual 2s. So I'm only running at 2 ohms. But since then, I kind of went on a rampage, guys. So we're just gonna do a whole overhaul of the whole system, like new everything. Door speaker's gonna stay the same, Rockfords in all the doors. My kicker key came, so this is gonna be on the highs. I got speed wire for that. I got a new inline converter to make it easy so I can get my front stage, rear stage, and sub output on this. This is new, so we're gonna try this out. And I went ahead and got, the big boy, the T2500 BD. So everybody knows Rockford always does more power than what they say. I think the card is somewhere in here. Yeah, it's down there. But an A2500, it does over 3K. I think this one is rated at like 3,300 when they tested it from the sheet. So, and then if you don't know anything about Rockford, like if you're new in the car audio, especially like the BD series, so like even at 2 ohms, it'll do, I think it does over 3K still, and at 1 ohm it does over 3K. Compared to like other amps, like this Tar Amps, it's 3K at 1 ohm. So right now it's at 2 ohms, so it's only doing like 19 something. So like this whole time, like my truck, like it's loud, and it sounds really good. I get all the lows, but like carrying wise, like it's not exactly what I'm looking for. It does good, it does great, and people be like, yo, I didn't know, you know, 8s can get that low. Like it does really well, but now it's time to take it up a notch. So probably what's gonna happen today, we're gonna put these new subs in, because I'm kind of curious to hear what they sound like. I'm impatient because I'm probably gonna do all of this tomorrow, which is Thursday. All of this is gonna move. This is gonna move. My epicenter is in here. That might stay there, but this is gonna move. So I probably gotta do another run of 0 gauge since it got cut short, since it's under that seat. Everything is probably gonna move behind this seat. So this is a really big amp. So yeah, it's a big amp. Because at first I was just gonna have the kicker key like under here, but then I decided to take it up a notch. So we're gonna step it up. So what we get ready to do now is take these old subs out and get ready. So when UPS gets here with the new subs, we pop those boys in. And the cool thing about, even though you're supposed to have a break-in period, Sundown says that they don't require a break-in period, but I'm gonna still like take it easy on them, like do a sweep. So yeah, let's get these subs out. Before I get these subs out, crazy thing, I ain't looked up under here in a minute or been back here. So gotta keep it clean. Get all the screws out. These niggas are heavy, so I'm like, yeah, I gotta get something to help me get these out. So I'll be back. Yo, got it. These joints was on there, but just a quick walkthrough. Yeah, these joints. It's a big beefy sub for an 8-inch. So let me get this other one out and then we'll wait on UPS. All right, so both subs are out. Yeah, that's what the inside of the MB box looks like. Again, my box is tuned to 33 hertz, so and it's a really big box, so it'll definitely be okay for these x8v4s when they come. So again, here's what these cars look like. Good subs, nice beefy. It's a big sub for an 8-inch. So, and it did good. So I had these subs since 2021. Yeah, 2021. So I got these subs when I got the truck. So yeah, 2021. So yeah, they ain't moved. The only thing, they had been in the box so long they was hard to get out. So I kind of had to pry them out. So if you do get stuck subs in your speaker box, get like a flathead screwdriver or something and pry them out. They'll be all right. The box will be all right. So yeah. So now we wait, guys. Wait on UPS. So I'll tap in when he get here. What's up, y'all? All right, update. They finally here, man. Yeah, these subs are way bigger than the ZVX's height-wise. I think the surrounds on the ZVX's are a little bit bigger, but this sub definitely got some weight to it. It look nice. So these are the V4s. So yeah, these joints. It's a nice built sub. So what I got now, the current wire that's running to the box and what I had in the other subs, those were 8 gauge, the Sky High. But those wires, like they are huge, boss. So I went down to 10 gauge. So it's still a lot of wire in there, OFC. Let's see if I can get it to focus. So, but yeah, I'm finna wire these bad boys down to 1 ohm. So if you don't know how to get your subs to 1 ohm, man, basically take all the positives and take all the positives, put them together, take all the negatives, put them together, and it's at 1 ohm. So, but yeah, let me get started on this and then I'll tap in with y'all in a little bit. Oh, the reason I'm putting these in today and then working on the rest tomorrow, I kind of want to hear what they sounded like, what this amp sounded like at 1 ohm. So I never heard it at 1 ohm. I always heard it at 2. So I'm curious to see what it sounds like. So yeah, let's get it. Amp sound. So all right, so everything's wired up 1 ohm. So it's time to screw these bad boys down and let's see what they do. They're in. Let's take a listen. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, I'm probably gonna be skipping through this just to wait till the bass drop.
Hey.
so they get low though. How it sound?
Good.
It sound good? I think it's cool. Yeah. So, and then this is just with this amp, man. So that 2500 BD, we putting that in tomorrow. So. And the kicker key and the LC5 Pro. So it's a lot to do, a lot of work to do. So tell them, make sure they like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe and smash that like button.
Hey, there we go. Till next time, y'all. I appreciate y'all.
Bye-bye.